To inspect or replace the drive belt on your Sportsman 850 or Sportsman XP 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park. Set the parking brake. Remove the seat by lifting up on the rear and pulling back. Loosen the lug nuts on the left rear wheel, but do not remove. Elevate and safely support the vehicle. Refer to the owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Remove the lug nuts and set aside. Then, remove the left rear wheel and set aside. Remove the 4 fasteners retaining the lower left-hand frame support and remove from the frame. Remove the 2 upper PVT cover fasteners from the seat well. Then, remove the remaining fasteners through the wheel wells. Carefully pull the outer PVT cover out of the left rear wheel well. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Note the orientation of the drive belt so it can be installed in the same direction. Insert the clutch spreader tool into the driven clutch to spread the clutch sheaves. Caution: ensure the tool is square with the movable sheave surface of the driven clutch. Carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch while opening the clutch sheaves with the spreader tool as needed. Then, remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage and replace if needed. Clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Warning: failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and severe injury or death. If replacing the belt, the part number on the belt should face outwards when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the top of the driven clutch. Work the belt into the driven clutch. Rotate the driven clutch clockwise while opening the sheaves with the spreader tool as needed. Spin the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to seat the belt. Carefully reinstall the clutch cover, ensuring the cover seal is fully seated. Install the 9 cover fasteners through the wheel wells and 2 upper fasteners through the seat well. Torque to specification. Reinstall the lower left-hand frame support and 4 retaining bolts. Torque to specification. Install the wheel on the hub. Install the wheel lug nuts hand tight. Safely lower the vehicle to the ground. Reference the owner's manual for proper lowering techniques. Torque the lug nuts to specification in a crisscross pattern. Reinstall the seat by aligning the front tabs and pushing down on the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.